Having a website for your small business increases its credibility, but most people think that building a website for their astrology business is going to be expensive and it's going to be very complicated as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Marty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed to start it, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. You are adding more markets every single week. Usually I'd head to the top and I'd go ahead and search for my market, but I can actually see it right here, Astrologer. So I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business or service so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your company name as well as your city and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your service and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of your business or your service. You want to showcase them on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services and you want to change it up a bit. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone numbers, click to call. Physical location, maybe you are a mobile business or you're strictly online and you want to leave the address off, you can absolutely do so. But if you put in a physical location, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in all the various social media links that your business is active on. Once you've done so, the little icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Head on over to the next section. If you have a business logo to upload it, click on that little pencil if you want to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, you can resize it over here, make the logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. Now, if you'd like to change the colors used throughout your astrology websites, go ahead and click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. You don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. Just go through the various color palette options to choose from. There are so many options. For each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your business, click on update section directly underneath it. Underneath update images where you could browse your device and upload your own images, search through that photo library, choose from hundreds of free high quality images. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have an Instagram account. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. Change the text on the buttons and where they're linked to. Maybe take online bookings for sessions. You can even link to another website or upload a PDF file with more details on your service. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, domains are super simple as well. All you need to do to connect it is click on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain for your business, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial is helpful. Building a simple website on the Marty Sites platform for your astrology business or service. And I'm really wishing you and your business, Marty, success.